Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download video from Pinterest to Gallery. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up the Pinterest application. Tap on the video that you want to download. Tap on the three horizontal dots and select Copy Link. Then open up your Google. In the search bar, type in Download Pinterest Video and perform your search. Choose the very first option. Then tap and hold where it says Paste your links here. Then simply paste the link. Tap on the download button. Then tap on Download Video. Tap on the three vertical dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap Download once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.